You like to make an extra 375 this week, $375 this week. How about thousands of dollars? And it only took you signing up for a free app and paying or investing just $5, which in turn is paid right back to you. So really it's zero out of pocket. That sounds good to you. Stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So as you can see on my YouTube channel, you can go to my YouTube channel, go to the playlist. I have a playlist for this. I have been sharing with you an affiliate bonus, a referral bonus for an investment app that pays out like just about every week. They didn't really do one last week, but most weeks you can see they pay out quite a bit of money for doing something very, very simple, which is going ahead and signing up for the app for free, investing $5, and then all you're going to do the rest of the time is share your link with other people that may want to make more money. That's it. Simple as that. So let me go through it, and you can see just a few of these. I got a few of these, all these green ones. This is the same program I'm talking about. And that's why I say you can make thousands of dollars with literally $5. And not even $5 because they give you the $5 right back. So zero. So if you're in a place where you really need to make some extra money, pay attention because this could be for you. This may help you. That's one of the things I'm about is I really like to give you opportunities that don't cost a lot of money that can completely change your life. And I'm not saying this will completely change your life, but it may help you have a little less financial stress, maybe help you pay some bills, maybe help you get ahead a little bit. I don't know what's going on with you in your life, but I do know this has been a blessing to me, and I've done it in the past as well, where I have been paid as well. They do pay, absolutely pay you. But again, $5, they give you the $5 back. So essentially, it's $0 you're paying for an opportunity to go out and make thousands. No joke. This is fact. Okay, so here we go. I got an email right here. It says it's the Acorns Investment App. And this week they're doing 375 for two friends. So you get two people. You share your link with two people, and you're going to be able to get paid $375 right into your investment account. So you can use it for an investment. You can pull it out and use it for whatever you want to use it for. But two friends join on your link, they're going to pay you. And here's the thing, once you sign up, once you invest your $5, you sign up for your free account, invest your $5, you can do this over and over and over again. Like if we go back here, you can see like $1,100, $1,000, 675, 1,400, 350. So you can see this is ongoing. Week after week, they give you these promotions. Once you have an account, you can just keep doing this over and over again. They're going to email you with a new promotion. You just go out and start sharing it. So here we go. Get two this week, two people, refer two people, go earn 375 bonus investment year. All you got to do is, friends must complete their first investment of $5 or more by November 30th, 2024. Bonuses will be invested within 30 days once Acorns verifies all eligibility criteria. Now, this is not a video about Acorns. We can come over here and we can look at what this is, right? So we're going to click on invite friends. I'm going to drop that here. Let's see here. There we go. So redeem your $5 bonus investment. So again, you sign up for free by going to the link in the description. Go to the link in the description, and then you invest your $5. It's very important. Like I got people that sign up for the free app, but they don't invest their $5, and then they can't go and do this. So it's very important you invest your $5 that they give you right back. So do not, maybe I shouldn't say do not, make sure you do that step. It's very, very important. And again, we're talking like we just went to Starbucks. I got a what did I get? A uh white chocolate mocha. That's what I got. It was 5.75. So we're talking less than a cup of coffee. You can get started in something that can pay you hundreds to thousands of dollars ongoing, unlimited, because they keep doing these promotions. They've been doing these promotions for years, and they give you the money back. Like, how cool is that? So you're just going to hit redeem my offer. So here we go. Step one. I'm just going to walk you through the steps. Step one. Tap redeem my offer above to set up your Acorns app. So that's step one. Set up your Acorns app. Two, make your first investment for $5 minimum. Again, less than a cup of coffee. Redeem your bonus investment and join over 10 million people who have used the Acorns to invest. It's an investment app. You can read all about it. You can learn all about it. It makes investing easy. Aim for your goals. Like, look, even if you don't want to use this app, get the app and start promoting it. Like I use the app personally, but this is a great way for you to start growing your investment, right? Or just make extra money. Like that's what this is for. But I think it's really awesome. I mean, like we'll just go back. I mean, $5 to make $1,100. That's a previous promotion. $5 to make $1,000. A previous promotion. Like where else can you flip $5? And again, they give you the $5 back. So it's $0 really out of your pocket. Zero, you pay five, they give you five back, and then you can go promote and make hundreds of thousands of dollars for what? Doing what? Going and sharing this opportunity with other people. Now, if you're afraid to share it with other people because you're afraid of what they think of you or you're afraid that you might get rejected, then you might just not like making enough money. And I'm not trying to be mean about it, but I mean, come on, it's $5 for God's sake. Like, get out of your own way. Go share it with people. How do you share it with people? It's so simple. You can make a video like I'm doing. You don't have to show your face. You can just talk over it, for one thing. You could do TikTok. You could do short videos like Facebook. You could do YouTube like I'm doing, and I'll make these into short videos too. Easiest thing to do, honestly, is reach out to people. Hey, I don't know if this is for you or not. Or, hey, I found a way where you can flip $5 into 375 this week. Would you be open to learning about it? Boom, send your link. Done deal. And let them decide. If they don't want to make easy money, then that's up to them. You have no power over that. All you're doing is sharing the opportunity. You're sharing a blessing so they can start making money. Like, there's really no reason anymore. Like, if you have a bank account and you're in the United States, you can do this opportunity. So there's no reason whatsoever that you have to go around saying, I don't have enough money. There's no reason. Like, you have the opportunity. Grant Cardone, I heard Grant Cardone, maybe you know him, maybe you don't. Genius sales guy, billionaire. I mean, the guy built his business from nothing, right? From scratch. He says, people have your money. People have your money. Now, you may not like that saying. To me, it makes a lot of sense to me because I'm the only one standing in my way to go get that money because all I got to do is get in front of people, right? That's all I got to do. And in this case, this week, it's two people is all you need. Two people. Some weeks it's four people, some weeks it's five people. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing that you can't do. But if you choose not to do it because you're afraid of what other people are going to think of you, you're afraid of getting rejected, then you deserve not to have any money. And I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just saying, like, that's your choice. You're choosing that because you've been given an opportunity that can help you a lot. And here's the thing, okay? I don't believe this is something that you should just rely on. This is supplemental income, right? But other things I do, and I'm going to come over here, okay? I'm going to show you some different things I do that you could take this 375, maybe next week it's 1,000, maybe the week after that it's 900. I don't know what the numbers are going to be, but you could participate. So you can go sign up. Click on the link in the description. It's going to take you to this page I have right here. And you can go right here to this Acorns Investment App and sign up for this program and go meet the promotion requirements so you can get paid. Now you have some money. This week it's 375. Last week, what was it, like 1100? Now you have some money in your pocket, right? So what can you do now? Now you can flip that money even more, possibly create some residual income, or like I have an opportunity here where you get paid to write short letters. I've made thousands writing short letters to large companies. You have that opportunity. You can learn about it right here. Just click on that link right there. Click on that button right there, and it will take you to that. There's no skill involved. You don't have to do anything other than write letters. If you can write with a pen to paper, you can do this. Now, for some people, the starting cost, even though it's minute, it's tiny, it might be too much for them. And that's why I like to offer this opportunity, because for $5, which they give you the $5 back, you can make some money, which you can then use if you want to do the paid, get paid to write letter opportunity. Just an option. I do that personally. I write letters every day. It's just part of what I do. And it's transactional. You get paid for the letters you write. So there's like no skill involved. So that's just one way you could take this opportunity for $5 or less, make hundreds to thousands of dollars, and then roll it into another opportunity where you can just write letters and get paid. Okay, let's look at this again. All right, let's go to another one. Acorns app. Okay, sign up, invest your $5, go out, share it with people, meet the requirements, get paid your 375 for this week. Maybe in our week it's 1,000. I don't know. All in one business, you can start this for $25, and it will pay you 80% residual commissions. So that's another opportunity. What are you doing? The same exact thing with this. You're sharing the opportunity with other people. I hope you're starting to see where I'm going with this, right? Let's look at another one. Oh, the Let's Go app. Okay, let's look at Let's Go. This one's only $10. So we got $5, which they give you the money back. Now we got $10, and they're going to pay you $8 residual income. That's income that comes in month after month after month to use an app that's a personal transformation app that's going to lift you up as a person, make you a better as a person in life, in business, right? And I was going to go over one more. One more. That's it. All right. So again, we start here. Acorns app, right? $5 investment. You they give you the $5 back. You go out, you share it with some people. They like it. Cool. You just made 375 or 1,000 or whatever the promotion is that week. And guess what you can do? We can go here. 3 simple steps to automated income. What's this? Complete business in a box. Literally, you can start making upfront and residual income right here. Everything you need. Sales funnels, they email for you. Training is done daily, live training daily. It's literally everything you need to go become job optional. And it all starts, let's say you don't have much money. I mean, you could skip this step. You don't have to do this. If you have some money, and you can be all in on this program for $100, less than $100 actually, less than $100. And there are other options where you can get started lower, but this is a complete business in a box, ready to go out the door. Training provided, daily live training, everything you need to go out and create job optional income. Again, what are we doing? The same thing. It's the same thing. Are you understanding this? Like, okay, I sign up for this. It's a referral program. You sign up, you share it with other people, they get started, you get paid. Now all we're doing is rolling it into other opportunities, other assets. We're building assets that are going to continue to pay us month after month after month for doing the same work. I hope you're understanding this. And this wasn't even my plan. I just kind of rolled into it. This program here, and this is not something I really actively promote, but I've made almost $200,000 in this program. This program right here. So there are opportunities everywhere. I like this Acorns investment app because you can make hundreds to thousands of dollars with literally $0, like $5 to get started. So the only reason you're not making the money, the only reason you can't go and get into one of these other opportunities that can really set you up nice is you. You're the only reason. If you choose not to sign up for this app, if you need money, you choose not to sign up for this app, you choose not to invest the $5, which they give you back, so it's free, and you choose not to go and share it with other people so you can get paid. That's on you. You've been given opportunities. There's no reason for you to go out and say, "Oh, I don't have the money," because that's not the truth. Because you have the money, you have the opportunity right here to get the money. Okay, this was not planned. It just kind of came to me while I was doing this. I hope you got value. Again, you want to know more about this, go to the link in the description of this video and get started. Again, you're going to see this page. Click right here, Acorns. If you want to check out the other stuff, check it out. Everything's very inexpensive, less than $100 to get started. Everything I have on here, uh, some of it's even lower than that. And you can start creating assets. Now, I don't suggest you go and get all of them. I'm not saying that, but what I am saying, so like what I would probably do if you're in a position where you really need to start making some money, maybe you haven't really developed the skill sets that require you to go out and really do heavy promotion. What you may want to do is start with this Acorns investment app. Okay. You just share it with people. Hey, I found this thing. It's only $5. They give you the $5 back and they pay you hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars just for sharing it with other people. It's pretty cool, right? Like, I mean, you can just talk to anybody about that. It's pretty simple. And once you get the hang of that, you start getting paid on that, then choose something else. That's what I would say. And I would say maybe go to the getting paid to write letters because there's no skill involved. You can do this with anything. It works in the background. You don't have to talk to a soul to get paid. I think it's pretty cool. It's an awesome blessing. It's been a huge blessing for me and my family. I can't even tell you how much of a blessing it's been. Um, and then you got Let's Go and got these other things you could choose from. But all I'm saying is pick something so you can start making more money. You have options. Okay. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.